Running a 9 by 12 direct mail agency is a real business. It deserves a real system. This is it. One platform that replaces 6 different tools so you can run your entire business from one screen. Let's set it up together. First, sign up. Enter your details and confirm your account by clicking the Verify Email button. That's it. Your account is ready in under a minute. Now let's make your website yours. Click Use Launchpad Template and hit OK. Your website draft is instantly ready. Upload your logo, set your favicon, choose your brand color. Now it's built for your brand. Need to change any text? Go to the page menu, click Edit, make your changes, and it publishes automatically. Now let's build your first postcard campaign. Go to Campaigns, hit New Campaign, and fill in the details. Campaign name, location, number of homes, mail date, and industry exclusivity. Hit Create Campaign. Done. Next, choose your layout. Pick the one that works for your campaign, click Apply, and go to Edit Slots. Now define each spot, which industry it's for, what the price is, and any other details. Your campaign is live and ready to sell. Your clients can now book directly. Pay online or offline, upfront or reserve first. You get paid. They get their slot. Once booked, they pick their ad design straight from your Canva template library, sorted by industry. No emails, no back and forth, just done. In between, you can connect your payment gateway, set up email, and configure the rest. Everything lives in one place. Campaigns, bookings, payments, design. Everything your 9 by 12 agency needs, in one place, from day one. The system is ready. Are you?